Alright, hey guys. So this is the same day as I'm making the sonic screwdriver, but we're going to work on the Vortex manipulator now, and I just have a picture of it on my phone as a reference. Mine's not going to look exactly like that. I just needed to have a little reference. So I already kind of started it. This is a piece of a yoga mat. I cut the shape that I wanted, and then made the little straps for my wrist. I'm going to use this side, this one. So I have that. I glued some buttons on it, and then I have something over there that's going to be for here. So I have some buttons on it. I'm going to paint the buttons, and the Velcro is going to be the fasteners, which I'm going to hot glue on. But I'm going to paint the buttons first. I think I'm going to do gold, because I don't do gold very much. Maybe I should do bronze, because bronze looks very, like, I don't know. Wait, where's my water? I think I left my water in the bathroom. Hang on. Alright, I'm back. And I just keep the water in this little area, this shelf area, so I don't spill it. Does tend to happen. I'm not going to be too fussy about the sides of it because I'm mostly going to be looking at the top of it anyways. As long as it's covered enough, I'm not going to be too picky about the sides. I don't want to get it on the base of it. Alright, so the buttons are painted now. And I'm going to see if my other piece is dry yet, because I already painted that piece. It might not be dry yet, in which case we'll have to glue the Velcro on, probably. Let me plug in my hot glue then. I have two of them because I'm not really sure which one I'm going to use. Neither one is dry, so it's moot point anyways. We'll use, I think I like the bigger one better. I'm going to use the bigger one. Okay. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's just like the thing from a watch. Both of them are. This was a kid's watch, this was an adult watch. This one was mine, this one was my grandpa's, but they didn't work anymore, the batteries were dead. So I took it apart, and I painted them, and yeah. This piece is still dry. Okay. This one's closer to being dry, so we're going to wait on that. We're going to wait on that, and we're going to glue the, figure out which way to, yeah, I was going to measure on my ankle. My ankle's not big enough, so. It's because I'm left-handed, though, when I'm trying to not. Oh, fudge. Paint on my finger. Okay, I'm going to wait for that paint to dry, actually, because otherwise that's not going to work. I already got paint on my finger. Hey guys, so I'm back with the Vortex manipulator, and I just glued the Velcro on, so it has Velcro on this side, and then there's one on this side. The buttons are dry. I did a second coat on the, I'm not using this one, on this thing, so it's not dry yet. But I just want to give you guys an update. So I did some bronze on it. Oh, it's kind of dry a little bit, not all the way dry, but I did some bronze on it. I also did a second coat on this one, but this one's already dry. I'm not going to paint the inside because nobody's going to see it. So, yeah, I will see you guys probably tomorrow because it is really late tonight. So I don't think I will finish this tonight because it's like 10 o'clock. So I'll see you guys in the morning when we will finish this Vortex manipulator. I think it looks cool. I'm gonna wait for it to dry completely. It's still warm.